Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. macOS Up-to-Date and Xcode command line tools installed because many Python packages need compilers. Next, install Homebrew to manage packages. It simplifies Python installs and updates. Once Homebrew is ready, install Python 3 with Brew so Python 3 and pip 3 are available. Make sure to open a new terminal or run eval for Brew in your shell so Python 3 points correctly. This avoids path confusion and ensures you can pip 3 install packages immediately. After installing Python, you create an isolated environment to avoid dependency conflicts. Run Python 3 mvenv, then source venv/bin/activate so you're working inside that environment. Once active, upgrade pip, setup tools, and wheel to ensure reliable builds and installations. Then install project packages with pip or pip install R requirements. TXD for reproducible installs. Make sure to use pip freeze to capture versions. If you use IDEs like VS Code, point them to when your code is ready, run it from the activated venv using Python 3 main. Py. This guarantees the correct interpreter and dependencies. For distribution, create wheels with setup tools or standalone executables via pinstaller. Testing in a clean environment prevents surprises. If something fails, first verify your shell path and that you activated the correct virtualenv, then run piplist to find version mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip. Recreate the venv after fixing dependency versions. This often resolves hidden binary or ABI incompatibilities quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.